In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Zoom app onto your computer. So you'll open up a Google Chrome browser, and at the top, you're going to type in the following URL, zoom.us/download. When this screen pops up, we are going to download the Zoom Client for Meetings app. So we'll go ahead and select download. What you'll notice in the bottom left corner, a new installation popped up. If it doesn't pop up for you here, then what you can also do to find it is go to your Finder and select Downloads, and it will be available for you. So what you'll do is you'll open up this file that's called zoom.pkg, and it says a program will be installed just to ensure that your computer is secure. So what we'll do here is we're going to go ahead and press continue. And it didn't even prompt me to go through the next steps. It automatically installed it onto my computer. If the same thing doesn't happen for you, then you'll just go ahead and press continue throughout. And when you finish the installation process, this panel will pop up, which tells you that you now have the Zoom app on your computer.